Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to start Amazon EC2. Actually, I'm going to start complete Amazon AWS Solution Architect course for you. And this is our first lecture on to the Amazon EC2. You have seen already my couple of videos on YouTube. If you like, please subscribe my channel and click on the like button. Thank you, everyone. So let's start our first chapter on Amazon EC2. Why I'm not starting with any slides or any book or other thing? Because day by day, you will see that slides will be getting older and the data is not updated. So generally, I will suggest everybody rather than go for any slides or go for any particular book is always choose Amazon EC2. That means Amazon docs.amazon aws.amazon.com, because this will give you the latest information about all the Amazon products, okay, AWS products. And this will be our first lecture, and next one just be with me, and next I will start the EC2. Thank you. Okay, so let's start about our first topic. What is the Amazon EC2? Amazon EC2 is built from the Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute Cloud. That's the reason C it is called the EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. It provides the scalable computing. So it is very much important because it is giving you the scalable computing, which is very much important. Scalable computing, when we talk about the scalable computing, it has you talk about many things. It will scale whenever you require. You can scale automatically, you can scale manually, and based on your requirement when you need that. Okay, we will discuss a lot about this in that one. Scalable computing capacity in Amazon Web Services AWS. Using EC2 eliminates your need to invest in hardware upfront. Why this is very much important? Think about today. Company thought about they are doing some testing onto the machine learning and new artificial intelligence project. So they have some use cases and they want to start some team and work on that and see the POC. To do the POC on machine learning artificial intelligence, you need a high computing server, like you need the GPUs into your server to do the calculation, all other things. Now you have to invest a lot onto these systems. Generally in a big companies, it is going for a financial approvals. Okay, firstly internal approval, then financial approval, then they will raise a purchase order. Once purchase order will go, it will take 6 to 8 weeks to come to the servers inside your data center. Once it is come to the data center, then again it will take time, because if you're it is the SCZ zone or where this server will come, it will take again time for bonding to these servers. Then it will move to the racks. There will be separate team who will do the rack and stack, and after racking and stacking, then it will go for the network team. They will take care of the cabling and other things. Once it is done, then OS team will install the OS, and then the program this thing will your project will start, and it will take almost nearly 4 months generally. And in 4 months after that, you have paying a lot of dollars or rupees, and then you will come to know this will not work out for you. Okay, so in that case, what you have to do, you can't do anything. You can't do anything. Uh, what you will do, you have to wait for another 4 months to complete the project, and then you will come to know after 8 months this was not the requirement, or might be requirement change, or might be this is use case is not work for you because of security or some other reason. Okay, so elastic computing or upfront, you no need to pay the cost for Amazon. It will just on to the number of clicks, within 5 minutes your VMs will be ready, every whatever the VM you want, and then you can start work on that with OS and other things, and within a week or 2 weeks your testing or POC, you will come to know this is a real use case or not. Then you can go for the if it is in-house or wherever you want to go. Okay, so you no need to pay for upfront cost, and you can deploy and develop application faster. You can use Amazon EC2 to launch as many or few virtual servers as you need. So it depends upon how many virtual servers you want. So I will not go for the theoretical mode. So generally what we are doing, I will just show you the practicals immediately so that you can relate these things. So I'm logging to my ID. Okay, so I logged into my ID. So here, this is called the EC2 dashboard. So the first is when you talk about this is your Amazon. How you log in onto the Amazon, you have the console.aws.amazon.com. So I will let you know in next video how you will get first time access onto the console.aws.amazon.com. Otherwise, yeah, you can. So this is the EC2 dashboard. These are the services, which are different services AWS is giving you. This is the big portfolio which AWS has currently. So if you see, it is compute, storage, database. They have the robotics, blockchain, satellite, all these things they have. Now they IoT, security, they have categorized in under this category a lot of products they have. Okay, so you think about machine learning, already machine learning, so many things they have. Okay, so what in EC2 you want to do, I'm just closing this page. This is my EC2 dashboard where it will tell you how many instances are running, how many dedicated hosts, how many volumes, key pairs, placement groups, elastic IPs, all these things it will tell you how many you have. Okay, so let's start with our first things. Just click on the instance. So you need a one virtual machine. How easy it is, just click over here. Just click on instances. And here you can see launch instance. Okay, or on the top, launch instance. So both the things, you can choose any option. Just click over there. It is asking about I will not take much time first step because I have to tell that. So it will take quickly to install your first virtual machine. It's very easy for you. Just which operating system, this is the AMI, but just think right now it is a operating system right now. Okay, and just click what is the size, CPU, how much memory you require. So I prefer to use for your training purpose, general purpose only. Okay, so don't go for anything else. It is free for 750 hours per month. Just leave these options right now. We will discuss a lot on this one. Leave storage size, tagging, security group. No need to worry about anything right now, and just review and launch the instance. It is, you will get a Linux instance within couple of like within a minute we deployed, and it will be ready for you. It is how quick into the cloud platform. Okay, now we have a you see this is my first EC2 instance. Okay, this full complete dashboard is the EC2, but one part of the EC2 is instances. Okay, now come to our, what is the features of the EC2. So when they talk about EC2, they have a lot of features. What first feature, we use instances which we create. Some companies call it VMs. In Amazon language we are called it instances. It is pre-configured, then templates are there which you will use. We use that is called the AMI. Okay, we will discuss a lot onto the AMI. That is the feature of this one. Then it has the instance types. Then instance type means how many CPU, memory, storage, networking. So these all combination will it will all these combination is instance type. Then for the secure login you need a key pairs. Secure login means your credentials, so it will not ask for the username password. We have created the machine, but it is not asked for any username password. They are giving the secure keys, private keys, so I will tell you how to use that private keys. Then storage volume, persistence, some other features. What are the other features? We will one by one, we will cover all these features of our EC2 instance. Okay, so these feature is instance store volume, EBS volume, what is region and availability zone, security groups. So my first which I show you, just create the instance. It was so easy. Okay, now let's start with the next topic here. So this is just to create VM. Okay, it's so quick. So what these in details about these options, I will just explain you one by one now. Okay, thank you for this one, and let's meet in next lecture. Thank you.